This house and this team are great. It's exactly what it should be. I'm Sean Parker.
Oh, he's wired in.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is one of my favorite scenes from the acclaimed movie, The Social Network. In one of the dialogues, Mark Zuckerberg says, "Oh, he's wired in." Well, it means the programmer is literally wired to his computer. Even the slightest distraction would not be entertained. In today's information overload world, distractions are everywhere. Our mind is under constant siege. The key to success today is not to tolerate any distraction. You have to be wired in. Distractions are the greatest cause for slow learning. You have to treat your learning time with great respect. Every distraction means you must spend energy refocusing, which leads to making mistakes. Identify and destroy your distractions. Identify. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about picking up one skill at a time, committing to a target performance level, and visualizing the obstacles. Once you have completed all these 3 steps, start digging deeper into the obstacles. Make a comprehensive list of every area in your business and personal life where you feel resistance, and get ready to break through it. Most distractions these days are either from external sources, digital and human factors, or internal sources, when something is worrying you or your mind wanders from one goal to another. Destroy. Once you have identified the distractions, you need to destroy them. Let's discuss few strategies that can help you. Remove electronic distractions. Shut off your phone, email, and any electronic disruption for the time chunk you allocated. Pomodoro technique discussed in the previous lecture will make you habitual to be in the zone for short and manageable chunks of time. If possible, quit social media. Social networks are massively addictive by design, which makes it hard for users to break their online habits. Former Facebook employees have called out the company for doing untold damage to people's brain, and perhaps even damaging how society works. Even Facebook itself has acknowledged that using its services in a certain way may be detrimental to one's long-term health. Master your boundaries. Requests from your colleagues, boss, friends, spouse can sometimes be difficult to refuse, but be firm. Explain to them you are trying hard to focus on a task. They will respect it. And if it's important and can be averted, then make a mental note to come back to it once you're done. This mental note will help you avoid a similar situation next time. Embrace boredom. In his book, Deep Work, Cal Newport has given this gem of advice. Our mind is always juggling with new things. Sometimes when tasks start becoming challenging and require intense concentration, or our subconscious mind start thinking about easy and fun things to do. Stop fighting that boredom and recognize it as proof of your focus. You can make focused concentration a habit, something you can do regularly to be mindful. The 1 second rule. One rule that I learned from the book 1 Second Ahead has a significant impact on me in eliminating distractions. The secret to dealing with life's interruptions is incredibly simple. Give each distraction just 1 second's time. Use 1 second rule as an automatic response to any stimulus, be it an email, voice message, or text. During this 1 second mental gap, make a conscious decision about where to focus your attention. This 1 second makes the difference between merely working and working brilliantly. You have 3 options. 1. Decide to ignore the distraction. 2. Inform the distraction. For example, your boss that you look forward to meeting at a specified later time to discuss whatever is on his or her mind. 3. Put aside your work and shift your attention to the distraction. After you handle it, return to your work. Eliminating distractions is not easy. at least not at first. We humans tend to respond automatically to visitors, emails, voicemails, text messages, etc. Strive to be stern with yourself. No one-size-fits-all method works because everyone deals with distractions differently. But once you have mastered limiting distractions, you will be able to quickly get into the zone of the highest productivity. So as they say, wired in.